Good morning, candidates. This is regarding Federal Bank. Learn, engage, and earn to become a financial crime compliance specialist. Financial crime compliance specialist, FCCS. It is a new post that is being given now. It's a new post, and this is the advertisement that has come about this, about the federal program, federal integrated program. Federal Bank has partnered with Manipal Global Education Services, one of the leaders India's educational institutions for federal integrated program, to provide bright young minds to learn, engage, and earn. FIP has been designed to ensure holistic development of the participants with a blend of 24 months paid fixed term employment with phygital mode of learning through a fusion of classroom virtual sessions designed by the Manipal Global Education Services. The shortlisted candidates will be initially deployed in Bangalore location and would be liable to be redeployed anywhere in India. Learning and development. The learning curriculum has been designed to keep the participants relevant with domain knowledge while experiencing compliance, risk, and audit functions. This certification will help participants to get deep insight into law and regulations from domestic and global perspective. FIP will be conducted in 5 phases comprising of both in-campus and on-the-job training sessions. First 7 weeks induction in campus, 17 weeks on-the-job training and weekend classes in campus. Next 2 weeks, a refresher in campus. Next 26 weeks, on-the-job training and weekend classes in campus, and 52 weeks on-the-job training. The learning curriculum is divided into 2 terms. Term 1 will be for 24 weeks, and that is first and second phases. And term 3 will be for 28 weeks, third and fourth phases. First term, you will be learning basics of banking, introduction to domestic and global banking regulations, communication behavioral skills, KYC and AML, then risk compliance, technology in risk monitoring and compliance. Term 2, you will be receiving financial crimes detection and protection, advanced risk and compliance monitoring, compliance tools in techniques, risk and compliance 1, then compliance 2, then data analysis, then behavioral skills number 2. Federal Bank reserves the right to make any changes. Grooming session, classroom learning, on-the-job training, e-learning modules, assignments, group projects, skills workshops, interaction with domain experts. Meet your leaders, case studies will be conducted, and equip and groom the participants to build their professional career in compliance, risk and audit functions. Learning fees, 1,75,000 plus applicable GST in favor of that what is that? Manipal Global Education Services. Manipal Global Education Services. And to get admission into the federal integrated, learning fees once paid will not be reimbursed or refunded. CFCS certification. In order to acquire the diverse skills, superior knowledge across the crime spectrum, participants of the program will have the mandatorily acquire globally recognized financial crime accreditation, namely Certified Financial Crime Specialist. Certified Financial Crime Specialist during the program period. The cost of acquiring CFCS certification needs to be borne by the participant, and the same is not included here. That means you have to pay something more. Engage. Participants in the program will be christened as financial crime compliance specialist and will be groomed with experienced bankers during the 2 years of fixed term of employment in Federal Bank. FCC specialist would be given exposure experience to undertake anti-money laundering or investigative due diligence, frame policies, processes, SOPs, guidance, etc. Ensure prompt it is all available in the website. Kindly go through this. Opportunity to join successful completion of program. Participants with continuous top 2 performance grades in every quarter during the program will be considered as officer role, subject to your acquiring Certified Financial Crime Specialist certification. Good conduct and administrative requirements. Earn up to 4.5 lakhs in first year and up to 5.7 lakhs in second year, and plus other benefits while learning and engaging greater skills in compliance, risk and audit functions. Participants will be paid monthly consolidated pay of 27,500. Participants will paid an incentive of 30,000 per quarter for performance grade 1 and 18,000 for performance grade 2. Please go through this. Participants would also be offered term insurance 20 lakhs, medical insurance coverage 2 lakhs. Please go through all the things thoroughly. So this is number 1 of the material given here. And now the second one, that is number 1 of the program. The second one I have to see is, I have to show you, is this one. Who can apply? Graduates with minimum aggregate marks of 60% from university incorporated by an act, they can apply for this. Candidates should have minimum aggregate of 60% through class 10, 12, graduation, post-graduation. Candidates shall not exceed 27 years. Candidates shall be citizens of India. Preference in selection would be given to candidates possessing professional degree, master's degree in law, business management, accounting. Graduation course must entail minimum of 3 years of education. So this is what it is. So though, I think graduates with 60% marks are eligible to apply. Then the third one is important dates. Third one is important dates. Third one is important dates. Here the dates that are important is given. Number 1, 2000, that is date of notification was 13th April. Last date is 27th April. Proposed date of mock assessment is 3rd and 4th May. Proposed date of online aptitude assessment, 7th May. 7th May is the test. So this is what is given here. And then what is the next one? 4th one. How to apply. So this, everything is available in the Federal Bank website. How to apply, please go through this. I am not going to teach you because I'm not an expert in this, but you have to go through. General people will pay 500, SC, ST will pay 100 rupees. So this is the 4th one. Then coming to 5th one, screening rounds. This is what is more important. Screening rounds. The screening round, the program will be online aptitude assessment, group discussion, and personal interview or any other mode of screening. Invariably, they will conduct online assessment test, GD, and interview. I'll be able to guide you for online assessment, GD, and also interview. So the online assessment test this is what is online assessment. It is consisting of English, then quantitative ability, then logical reasoning, then general awareness, then banking awareness. Total marks is say 100, maximum marks is 100. Composite time, there is no section cutoff. Composite time is 80 minutes. Within 80 minutes, you have to answer 100 questions. It is not tough. You can manage it. General awareness, current affairs, and also sometimes they ask history, geography, then say political science, anything they ask. Then banking awareness, these questions I can give you. Then there will be negative marking of 2.025 for each wrong answer. Date of online aptitude test is 7th May. So this is what it is. So 5th only. These are the important information. Now let me come to the important point. Say you are having the screening test, screening rounds. The test consists of this. And if you, many of you may be having materials for this. If you want assistance for this material, you have to pay 295 rupees. 295 rupees for this. And then say for this one. And supposing you want to get yourself trained in spoken English, you have to pay a sum of rupees 300. That is 595 rupees. This is the first stage. Regarding other stage of GD and interview, I will tell you later on. I will give you how to remit the money, to which mode you have to make payment, I will tell you. And then the spoken English classes will be conducted every day at 6 a.m. and it will be recorded. And if you are not able to attend, you can watch that. I will give you the materials and also videos of classes conducted. Plus, the class will be conducted through Zoom mode. Thank you so much. Best wishes.